Hi everybody, we're here today to introduce you to product and seal detection software, or PISD. So we originally designed it because seal testers cannot operate reliably over 110 bags per minute, and also the space seal testers take up in front of a machine is quite large. We can actually not just detect product, which is quite easy, a full potato chip or a full cookie. We can also detect the seasonings and crumbs that are also falling down at the same time. Let's have a quick look at an example. We can explain further. Here we are looking at the main page of the product and seal detection software. So the product and seal detection software gives you identification tools to help identify where waste is occurring. Because if you can identify waste, you can actually potentially reduce it. So in this situation, you can see the histogram on the top left is showing us that the product is getting detected more in the lagging edge of the jaw rather than the leading edge of the jaw, which would make us assume that the product is landing too soon, so we need to adjust our timings. The two vertical red lines are the tolerance preset by the user. Anything outside of that is triggered as an event to reject that bag. Anything inside of that is thickness changing in film or seasoning picking up in the seal, but is still deemed as being a good bag. So in this you can see the resolution available to us, which is incredibly fine. This situation itself is running at 200 bags per minute, which is an extreme speed for any seal tester to try and monitor seal integrity. But with our software we can do it without a problem. There's no issue whatsoever to be reliably detecting bad end seals. Here we're using an air knife reject system. We're rejecting the bags that have bad end seals. We can see a single being rejected, and we'll watch it again in slow motion.